This is part of the video series, Does Mudjacking Cause Cracks? And I want to point this out to you here. This is a really strong sidewalk that has a little bit of settling to it in front of the front stoop, and drilling through it, it's of good sound, solid concrete. It's all thick and uniform. There's no thin spots. And the drill that normally goes through this no problem actually was having some issues. So I know it's good thick concrete. What I want to show you is this little hairline crack that looks big right now, but the closer I get, I can show you how, when the phone focuses, when you get close up, most people would not even notice that, even if it was on their own property. The reason you're seeing it now is because all the little fine particles of dust, when the drill drills, you get this light coating of dust over here. You can see how it looks a little bit lighter. Watch, I'll try blowing on it. I hope that showed up on camera. That little bit of light dust gets on the sides, and then I wash the hole out with some water, and now you can track this crack all the way over. So when a contractor comes to raise your slab here, and a crack is the result at the end, maybe it's near a hole, maybe it's in a hole, maybe it's somewhat of a result of the lifting itself, sure, but you got to remember the concrete could be pre-stressed already. Before the contractor ever tries lifting one of the slabs, there could be pre-stressed cracks already in existence in the concrete he's trying to lift that you have not seen. So, like we've always said, can mudjacking cause cracks? Sure. But can concrete crack on its own without any other processes taking place? Absolutely.